Greetings, Portal Master. I am Eon, and I have come to guide you on a great journey. Welcome to Skylanders, a magical world of wonder and adventure, protected by the greatest heroes ever known, the Skylanders. It had long been my duty to watch over the Skylanders and lead them, but this task has been given to you, and now you have found the Swap Force. The Swap Force was a special team of Skylanders whose sworn duty was to defend the Cloudbreak Islands, home to a magical volcano. Every 100 years, 4 ancient creatures known as the Elementals combine their power within the volcano, creating a tremendous eruption that replenishes all of the magic in Skylands. But wherever there is powerful magic, there is also great danger. It was during the last eruption when these Elementals were attacked by servants of the darkness. In the moment of need, the Skylanders came to the rescue. After an epic battle, the heroes became trapped at the summit of the volcano. Unable to escape the eruption, the magic energy from the blast gave the Skylanders an amazing new power, turning them into the Swap Force. But the blast also carried them far away from Skylands. To you. And just in time, Skylands needs your help. A great adventure awaits you, Portal Master. Behold.
Witness the eruption of Mount Cloudbreak. Wonder, magic, and adventure await. I gotta tell you, Hugo, this is gonna be awesome!
I know, Flynn. You are about to witness firsthand something that hasn't been seen in 100 years.
Right? I even bought this nifty volcano hat.
Is that Flynn? Scoot over.
Oh, hello, Callie. You missed me already?
Actually, I can't believe I'm about to say this, but
Oh, my hat! Sorry, gotta go. Adios, awesome volcano hat. Safe. Whoa! What was that? Woo! Must be hearing things. For a second there, it sounded like a giant chicken!
Are you a Skylander?
What? Oh, well, no, not exactly. I mean, I know them.
Oh no, they found us! Listen, my home is in danger. If you really know the Skylanders, you've got to help me.
Well, I'm supposed to be on vacation, but I also never say no to danger, so... Okay, danger wins. Which way are we going?
Into the volcano. We can lose them in there.
Gotta be honest, not what I was thinking.
It's all right. I know the way. Trust me.
Well, alrighty then, but you better hold on, Fox Girl. I'm about to break out some serious awesome. Boom!
the time, Portal Master.
Legs and no legs.
All right, the Skylanders are here. Boom!
You're in for quite a show.
Dragon feathers! A real Skylander! I can't believe you're actually here! Look out!
Gotcha! That was my favorite part.
Use your attack button to clear the wreckage.
Hey, Skylander! You mind knocking all that broken stuff off my ship?
Oh no! It's the Greeble Air Barons! We're gonna have to outmaneuver them!
Chompy.
It's opening fire!
Ah, get those creepy chompies off my ship! Too close! Too close!
Dive! Dive! Keep going! There's another way out through the core of the volcano!
Uh-oh, big scary ship off the port bow. Or starboard. That way! We have been boarded!
Almost there. Just a little further.
Get off my ship, you yellow rodents! Come on, hold together, old pal!
There, I can see the exit. Almost out!
This is your captain speaking. We're, here.
Dragon feathers, are you okay? I've never seen a crash like that.
I know, impressive, right? It was actually a super secret, incredibly complex maneuver. Good thing I'm the best pilot in all Skylands. Captain Flynn, at your service. Boom!
Kablam!
Come again, Miss,
Tessa! I'm Tessa.
Well, of course you are. So, what's the big problemo, Tessa?
My village was attacked right before the volcano celebration. It's not far. Come on, I'll show you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now cool your jets there. I'm not going anywhere without my ship. A good captain never does.
Hey, Skylander, over here.
All right.
I can't believe I'm talking to an actual Skylander. Wow. Okay, pull it together, Tessa. Listen, we need to get to Woodboro fast. Those Greebles that attacked us are still there, causing all sorts of problems. We really need your help.
I told you, I'm not leaving my ship. Oh, look at it. I don't know if she'll ever be the same. It's up to you to make her sacrifice worth it.
Don't worry, I'll have it towed back to town. You go on ahead, Skylander. Just follow the path. It'll lead you right to Woodboro.
Press the jump button to leap over obstacles. Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
Born to burn. Light core. Spoil the spoils.
me out of this cage, Skylander? Wow! A real-life Skylander! Tessa actually found you! Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. Thanks for letting me out, Skylander. I don't like enclosed spaces. Oh no! It's one of those battle gates. It'll keep us locked in here until you defeat all of the enemies. Ah! Like those enemies! Go get them, Skylander!
Use your attack buttons to defeat the Chompies.
Organic victory!
Hooray!
Oh no! Whiskers! How did they catch you? Oh, those Greebles are gonna get it! The Greebles are caging up those poor creatures. What could they possibly want with them? Well, I'm not letting them get away with it. You keep heading to Woodboro, Skylander, and I'll get these guys out of the cages.
Burn and burn! Greeble Screwball. Beat the heat! Excellent!
Remember, Portal Master, you can switch your Skylanders at any time.
Oh my, a true Skylander. We're saved. If you could loosen that hook there, I think we could get out of these cages. Thanks ever so much, Skylander. We'll help break out the rest of these poor creatures.
Spoil the spoils! Organic victory!
Look, Skylander! These element gates can be found throughout all of the Cloudbreak Islands. They've been here waiting almost 100 years for you to return. The legends say these magical gates only open for Skylanders that match the element symbols. This is a life gate. It will only open to a Skylander of the life element. You'll also find dual element gates in Cloudbreak. You have to match both element symbols to open it. It doesn't matter which swap force parts match, or even if the elements are on two different Skylanders.
Only Skylanders from the fire and water elements can unlock this gate.
Eight legs and no pegs!
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone.
No map needed. Turning the tide.
The Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone. You need a life Skylander to unlock this gate.
Silent but deadly.
Skylanders of the life element are stronger in this zone.
Oh, thank goodness a Skylander is here! My 3 sheep wandered off and got themselves caught out in prickly pastures. I'm not brave enough to go through those thistles. It'd be mighty nice if you went out there and freed my sheep.
Oh no, it's a Skylander! Greebles, take aim! Stop those Skylanders from nabbing our tasty treats!
Wow, thanks, Skylander! Here's a little something to keep your, head warm on your way to Woodboro.
Another disguise.
Blast and Furious!
Skylanders of the earth element are stronger in this zone.
Rock and roll!
You're pretty strong, Skylander. You could just push the blocks out of the way. Sure is nice to have the Skylanders around.
Can't stop the rock! Cool! Rounded and pounded!
Diggs the Molekin said that the eruption of Mount Cloudbreak is one of the most spectacular displays of magic in all of Skylands. He also theorized that staring at it for too long might actually cause severe blindness.
By a landslide!
This is a swap zone. When a swap force Skylander's legs match the symbol like this one, they become supercharged. This one is a rocket symbol, so only a Skylander with rocket power can take on this challenge. Go show him how to do it, Skylander.
Only a swap Skylander with the rocket ability can activate this swap zone.
Another smash hit!
Good job. Great job. What goes up? Good job. Great job. You win. Capstone!
There you are, Skylander. Don't forget that Woodborough still needs your help. Use these vines to get you there in a hurry. I'll head back to pick up Flynn.
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
Stone Cold success! All right.
You need an air Skylander to unlock this gate.
For the win!
Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone.
Shelling out the cash!
Hello, Skylander. It's an honor to meet you. I don't have anyone with the skills to use this cannon. Why don't you hop in and show us all what Skylanders are made of? Nice shooting, Skylander! Here, take this. You've earned it.
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger.
Blinded by the light.
In this zone.
Yes! Precious. Perfect. Mesmerizing, like me.
Only a giant can open this chest.
It's crush hour. Woohoo! Reform.
Only a swap Skylander with the climb ability can activate this swap zone.
Another smash hit.
you can get us down, Skylander?
This cage smells funny.
That was amazing! I'm gonna tell everyone!
Stone Cold success! Fresh as stones! Leave no stone.
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone.
Hello, friends.
Your Swap Force Skylanders can be combined into hundreds of different combinations.
Level up.
Only a Swap Skylander with a dig ability can activate this swap zone.
Eight legs and no pegs. Good job. Great job. You win. Where's my pirate hat? Yeah.
The Greebles are blocking the gates to Woodboro. You need to take them down.
Tessa, you've returned!
And I've brought the Skylanders back with me.
This? This is a Skylander?
Him? Oh, no. No, he's
Even better.
he's the best pilot in all Skylands.
Name's Captain Flynn. And you are?
I am the village crier.
Yeah, well, I get emotional too sometimes. Chin up.
No, Flynn. Rufus keeps everything running here in Woodboro. If you need anything, he's the one you should see.
Thank you, Tessa, but I really must tell you something. It's...
Hold that thought. I need to find the chiefess.
But wait!
So you're the guy, huh? Perfect. Okay, here's what I'm gonna need, doofus.
It's Rufus.
Right. Now, important question. What do you know about enchiladas? Hey, take it easy with her. She's very sensitive.
Rufus, where's the chiefess?
That's what I've been trying to tell you. She was taken by the Greebles.
We have to rescue her, Rufus. I'll go make preparations, but we're going to need the Skylanders.
Rudy, hey, about fixing my ship. You guys are footing the bill for this, right?
An honest-to-goodness Skylander here in Woodboro. I never thought the day would come. We haven't seen a Skylander here in many years. Oh, in fact, that reminds me. I bet you would like an upgrade. The Hip Bros over there have been trying to open that magical power pod for years and haven't had much luck. But perhaps it will open for you. And don't forget, if you ever get lost or need directions, just come and see me. I am here to help.
Where's my pirate hat?